Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you about chemical bonding. So what is a chemical bonding basically? Tomorrow is ICC exam, so I am teaching this chapter to you. The chemical bonding is the bond between two atoms. So I am giving an example of a bond. First of all, let me tell you how many types of chemical bonds are there. So chemical bonds are of two types. Chemical bonds are of two types. First one is ionic or electrovalent bond. And the other one is covalent bond. Example of electrovalent bond is NaCl, MgCl2 and so on. An example of covalent bond is CH4, okay, H2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Now in case of ionic or electrovalent bond, what happens? The bonding is very strong because sodium has positive charge, chlorine has negative charge, and since opposite charge attract each other, so what will happen? The bonding will be very strong, very strong bonding will be there, and the compound exists in solid state and the force of attraction is very high in this case. In this case also, but in this case the bonding is very weak. The bonding is very weak in this case. Okay, and the next thing that I am going to tell you is about what are lone pairs. So for lone pairs, I have to tell you about the structure of ammonia. The formula for ammonia is NH3. Nitrogen has got 5 electrons in its outermost shell. One will bond with hydrogen, this one will bond with hydrogen, and this one will bond with hydrogen. So basically these electrons are not forming any pair of bond, and this type of electrons are called lone pair of electrons. Actually it should be called alone pair because they are not having anyone, but still it is called lone pair of electrons, and it is because of this they are called basic in nature. Ammonia is basic in nature. So in this chapter we have studied about there are two types of bond, electrovalent bond or ionic bond and covalent bond. Electrovalent bonds are in solid state which has got very high force of attraction. In case of covalent bond, the force of attraction is very less, and there is another thing called lone pair which is formed in ammonia. I hope you understood this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any query you can comment in the section below.